start. In view of legal position stated herein before, it is very difficult for us to subscribe the view taken by selection committee, whereby the selection committee has held the petitioner not suitable for promotion merely on account of fact that he was punished by stoppage of 2 annual increments with cumulative effect in departmental inquiry without any specific provisions under the statutory rule of recruitment for denying such promotion to him on the said ground, particularly when he has secured requisite minimum marks 100 marks prescribed for such promotion under the rules of recruitment, under which to become a successful candidate for promotion he was required to secure total 100 marks jointly in ACR and written suitability test both stop. Thus, on the basis of his seniority position, he was entitled to be placed on top of the preliminary select list prepared on the basis of seniority cum merit under Rule 20 Sub Rule 3 of 1975 rules, and for the same reason we cannot also subscribe the view taken by the full court in its meeting held on 9/1/2010 while excluding the name of petitioner from the final select list for appointment against substantive vacancy of additional district and sessions judge in pursuant of selection in question stop. In given facts and circumstances stop. In our view, the selection committee had no power to lay down its own procedure except the procedure prescribed under the aforesaid 1975 rules for holding said selection stop. Under the said rules, the selection committee has not been any way remotely authorized to lay down any additional rule required for promotion than that are prescribed under Rule 20 read with Appendix G first of 1975 rules, under which there is nothing to indicate that if any officer has been punished in departmental inquiry by stoppage of 2 annual increments with cumulative effect, he can be held unsuitable for promotion stop. In absence of such statutory rule, in consonance with the provisions of Article 14 and 16 of the Constitution authorizing the selection committee to take aforesaid view in the matter, in our view, the selection committee could not make overall assessment of service record of the officer eligible for promotion as screening committee for the purpose of compulsory retirement of the officers stopper from the perusal of service record. Nothing objectionable in found against the petitioner in his confidential remarks recorded by court for the last 10 preceding years of selection in question stop. It is no doubt true that while he was under suspension during the pendency of disciplinary inquiry against him, the annual confidential remarks have not been recorded by the court for the year 2005-6 and 2006-7, but during preceding 10 years from the year of selection, there is nothing to indicate that integrity of petitioner has either been withheld or doubted by the court stop. Absence of annual confidential remark in aforesaid years cannot be treated to be anything adverse against the petitioner, particularly when he has secured requisite minimum 100 marks in both the tests indicated herein before, which was essential for promotion under the rules stopera. Further, it is also not in dispute that the petitioner was found eligible to appear in suitability test by the selection committee, and he was accordingly permitted to appear in the said test held on 29th November 2009 under the 1975 rules, and on the basis of criteria laid down in the said rules, he has secured minimum 50% marks, that is 100 marks out of 200 total marks requisite for promotion. As such, in our opinion, he is entitled to be treated as successful candidate in the said suitability test held for promotion. Stop.